It's raining. There's RJ! RJ! GMC. Hi guys! I just waiting here for daddy because they get the plate number. It's ready. And I show you here guys, in here and outside can grab. And there is all the cars here. A lot of cars, so big too. There is Daddy and RJ. Oh, there is the plate number. You got the plate number, RJ? You got it? Wow. Okay, we go now.
I'm gonna get charged.
We go now to the Best Buy.
Oh, good that you sit on that, RJ.
I'm gonna get charged, but
Okay, we're going to Best Buy now. And where is RJ? There is RJ. RJ, wave RJ. Sunset. Cannot see the sunset. There is the sunset there. Home Depot is there. And where is the Best Buy? Some club there.
No, this is not the right one.
Yeah, it's not this. Best Buy. A big sign. But we here in the back, not in the front. Is behind the Best Buy, huh? But this car is parked here. Have a lot of people in Best Buy. Oh, have Target there too. Target, you see it, RJ? And there is Best Buy. Okay, let's go. Come here. Come here. There we go. We here. There it is. We go inside. Best Buy. Okay. There it is. We're just walking. It's RJ. RJ. What you want? Huh? What?
toy.
Toy? You not want buy toy?
Toy.
No. It's not a toy. We came here.
Ultra. It's 4K.
What you want, RJ? Polar Express.
Excellent.
Polar Express you want, RJ? Polar Express.
Daddy, look.
Wicked. Ralph.
Look it.
Wicked. What you looking for, RJ? Polar Express. Here we go. RJ. Here's RJ. And we're here inside the Best Buy. RJ, where is it? RJ, show me, RJ. Oh, that is the Polar Express. Ah, nice, RJ.
Damage?
Wow. The same.
Which one looked the best? This one?
Ah, nice, RJ. Ka. What you found? Other one, RJ. Oh, no. Wow, Pop Save Christmas. Papa Truck. Okay. What you want? Okay. Look at these drones. Spark.
Sold out, huh?
Spark 359.
They lock it. Lock it inside.
Yep. The Maverick is how much? 1,199.
Stay gimbal. The gimbal. Can I fit that bag? Camera bag.
Yeah, it can fit. Patun. 1,499. 99 cents. This is Air Maverick. Look at this. This is so smooth. What's that? Oh, yellow. That is a tello. Air Maverick at $699, 700. Where is the other Maverick? Maverick 2, 1,499, 1,500. And here other.
This one? Yeah, let's get that. This one.
Oh, this is a big drones. This drone. So big, huh? Oh, so big. Look at that. Drones are big.
That doesn't fold up, does it?
Here is the Karma drone. Have no price. Hey, get RJ. That you want the backpack, RJ?
Now.
For camera?
Now.
Wow, expensive. That $100. Don't do that.
99 bucks.
You, RJ. Spit. RJ Pit. Backpack. Here is the price. There.
You try this on. Try one.
Yeah. Wow, Merry Christmas for Mommy that RJ. Show Mommy backpack. RJ, what you got? Wow, nice. The Polar Express. You want to watch that later? Okay. And what's that? Christmas.
Oh, 50.
Wow.
$9.99.
Show Mommy backpack, RJ.
99.
Oh, 99.
$99.99.
Yeah, $100. Expensive that backpack, RJ, for camera. Okay, RJ, that's it for today.
And the lights are
RJ, see you next time. Bye-bye. There is the Walmart. Full of,
It's McDonald's and the Walmart.
yeah, full pack all the store here. Spack.
Is that it? There's the McDonald's.
Yeah, there is the
I was looking over
McDonald's.
there. Turns out to be over here.
Here.
There's the McDonald's.
Here, Mommy.
And look at its pack.
Oh my goodness.
You want to go inside about this?
Number what? 5 and 6 you need?
5 and 6, yes. If they have 5 and 6, we're done. Here, Mommy.
Okay, just wait here. No.
Major leak over there, huh?
Verizon. There is the McDonald's behind. There is the drive-thru. Look at that, it's snowing.
It's raining.
Oh, it's raining. It's
There was a little bit
raining.
of hail mixed in, but not anymore.
See the traffic.